Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be discussing about the future of Kaspa in the shorter time frames. I believe this is going to be a really important video for all the holders out there because Kaspa is a very new project and a lot of people are betting on the project to go towards the upside. Anyways, without further ado, let's begin with the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Guys, in my trade signal groups, I post my personal trade setups which have helped me make a lot of money in the past couple of months. We have got tons of members in my group who are making consistent and regular gains, and if you guys want to achieve similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys join up as soon as possible. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. Recently, we have closed two trades and we were profitable on both of them. On one of the trades, we got a profit of about 254%, while on the second one, we got a profit of about 521%. If you guys want to achieve similar targets for yourself, you guys already know where the link to join my trade signal group is. Once you join my group, you guys are also going to be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested into the crypto markets and are making over $10,000 simply by following my trade signals. Anyways, now let's get back to video and let me first show you the charts for Kaspa. Now guys, I have been mentioning this for the longest time now, but I believe Kaspa is in this massive Elliott wave structure, which should include 5 waves towards the upside. As of right now, I believe Kaspa is in this fifth wave and final wave towards the upside, but things are looking really bearish for Kaspa as of this very moment. Now, if you check out the charts, you can see that Kaspa came very close to its recent all-time high at a price of about 0.052. However, ever since reaching this mark right over here, we saw an instant decline in the price because Kaspa was not really able to overtake this mark. Now this investment decline is pretty natural because Kaspa was going up for the longest time. I mean, if we check out this wave for bottom right over here, you can see Kaspa pumped by almost 63%, and after that it has fallen about 20% from that mark. So I still believe Kaspa has room and ways to go towards the upside. My target for Kaspa is somewhere around 0.1 dollars. Now, if we calculate from the current price points, that is only going to be about a 135% move towards the upside, which I believe Kaspa has a strong possibility of making in the shorter time frames. Now, if we check out the RSI, you can see the RSI is pretty low, but even though on the RSI we are low, you can still see that we are forming some pretty interesting patterns right over here. The last time the RSI was over here, as you can see, we saw a massive pump towards the upside. As of right now as well, Kaspa is trading at a very important support level. So only time's going to be telling us how the markets are going to be playing out. But overall, things are looking pretty steady and pretty bullish for Kaspa ecosystem. The news which I wanted to cover in my video is going to be from Senior, and he says Kaspa will replace fiat currency, and at that day the whole world will start using Kaspa. Now, I don't know whether or not the whole world is going to be using Kaspa, but I believe that a large majority of people are going to be using Kaspa in the future if it goes on, keep on building just like it has been doing in the recent times. So here we have a tweet from Jonathan, and he says, why not fiat? So, why can't we use fiat currency, which we have been using for the longest time? And what is the need for cryptocurrencies or Kaspa in general as well? Now, he says, why not fiat? Because fiat supply is inflated unpredictably because the political printing of money is corrupting the democratic sphere, posting the political debate and allocation of money instead of creation of wealth, because regulators are attempting to control financial transfers, eliminate cash, restrict economic freedom. We re-enter cryptocurrencies, golden trades, predictable insurance, and censorship resistance. Now, this is why you guys are not really and should not be using fiat currencies in the coming years. Because, guys, fiat currencies, let's say for the US dollar, people I mean banks can just be printing the dollar infinitely and how much they want, Now, I know some of you all in the comment section might be roasting me that no, there's a specific amount of money that the banks can print. But guys, take the example of inflation. I mean, if we had a limited supply of fiat currencies, I mean, your $100 investment today would have gone up to about 110, 120 in the next like coming 2 years or 1 year. But guys, what happens is the complete opposite. If you guys invest, or say if you guys have $100 right now, the amount of money, the amount of which you're going to be able to buy is going to be getting reduced. Now, that is because of inflation, which happens when more and more money gets into the market. However, with the cryptocurrency, this is going to be completely changed because every project out there is going to be having a certain amount of maximum supply. And once the supply is in the hands of the holders, the only way the currency is going to be going is towards the upside, because no more tokens or no more coins or tokens are going to be introduced ever after. Another tweet which I wanted to cover is going to be from DAG Knights, and they say blockchain tech is ever evolving. While Bitcoin paved the way like a wise old sage, Caspar represents the energetic youth bringing fresh perspectives and innovations. Respect to Bitcoin for laying the foundations, and cheers to the future with Caspar. Okay, this is something which I really like because Caspar is moving in the same direction and in the footsteps of Bitcoin. We have to give credit to Bitcoin because Bitcoin was the founding cryptocurrency, and it is because of Bitcoin why you guys are even watching this video, because Bitcoin made a lot of people interested into crypto, and that is how basically this whole meta was ever really made. However, guys, I believe that right now Bitcoin's era has been completely over. It is in its last footsteps, but the energetic youth, or say projects like Caspa, are going to be taking it to the next level, where the market cap of the entire crypto markets is going to be in tens, if not $50 trillion or something like that. I don't know when that is going to be happening, but Bitcoin has laid the foundation, and now it's all in hands of projects like Caspa or other low cap projects out there who are making constant and daily updates towards their projects. Another tweet which we have is going to be from Kaspa Army, and this is going to be to all the Kaspa fam and to all the Kaspa holders. Now, a lot of people are troubling and they are, panicking because Kaspa has fallen about 20%. However, guys, these are going to be the same people who were enjoying and on top of their world when Kaspa had pumped almost about 64%. Well, guys, if you believe in this project, please do not overdo it. And yeah, guys, even though I stress on it enough, like if you love Caspa, don't put all your money into Caspa. Now, if you guys hate Caspa, don't go all out and say Caspa is really really bad. Caspa is not gonna be doing everything. I mean, stay in the middle so that you guys can make wise decisions for yourself as well. If you guys are a hater of Caspa, and if Caspa makes you wrong, I mean, then you're gonna be losing on a lot of gains. However, if you guys are pretty optimistic about Caspa and you invest all of your money into the project, but the project, somehow because you did not do your due diligence, fails, your money is also going to be going towards the downside, which in the end no one really wants to see. When the price goes up or when the price goes down, stay calm and relaxed and trust the process. I mean, we do not really care if the project falls down by 20% or if the project goes up by 60%. We are looking for those 50x, 100x gains on the project, and that is why we have invested a lot of amount of money into the project. Because everything in excess is not good. Don't look like an unstable child, because every post of yours is a part of us. Do positive things that will be much better and useful for us together. Let's build this community as an adult community. This is what happened with Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. A lot of people were saying really bad things about both of these projects, but the amount of people who were in support of Ethereum and Bitcoin were far more than the people who were hating it, and this provided in becoming cryptocurrency an adult community, and this is what has led to a lot of success for the markets in general as well. In the shorter time frames, I do expect that Casp is going to be going sideways, but we are going to be seeing a pump towards the upside once we get a really good news from the project. I don't really know whether that news is going to be dropping after I launch this video, or whether that news is going to be dropping in 1 week, 2 weeks, or even 5 weeks. But whenever that news drops, we are going to be seeing a massive rally in the price for Caspa. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that as well. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.